Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm Christine. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing Your Bijoux Box. This is a monthly jewelry subscription. So in case you guys are new here, I would greatly appreciate it if you please subscribe to my channel. I would love for you guys to be a part of the fam. So last month I had unboxed the August Your Bijoux Box and was completely blown away with the items. They're definitely all my style, all very dainty pieces. Today's video is in partnership with Your Bijoux Box. Thank you so much to Your Bijoux Box for partnering with me again for this video. With Your Bijoux Box, you receive 3 luxurious jewelry pieces, including 1 bonus item. Now, the jewelry pieces are 24K or sterling silver plated, as well as they are now fair trade. So that's something to also really take into consideration with the pieces I'm going to share with you guys. There are different plans to choose from. There's a 3, 6, and I believe a 12-month plan where you can save a bit of money. Also, another really great thing about Your Bijoux Box is that you have the option to skip a month before the first of every month. This box goes out every 15th of the month. I'm really curious what is in here. You guys are also getting the first look at the box. So inside it says, sparkletistic adjective when a piece of jewelry is as sparkly as it is fantastic. Open this up. Fall is here. The September collection. Share your box or show how you wore the pieces with hashtag Your Bijoux Box Style. Each month we will send a bonus sparkle with your next box to a lucky subscriber. So it also says we are so excited to offer our first 24K gold enrobed collection, fair trade and ethically resourced. Right here it just tells you about all of the pieces that are in the box, and I love the packaging of this month's jewelry. It is definitely very fall-esque. Dive in to this pouch. I love how it's velvet. Oh, these are pretty. They're earrings. These are so dainty and pretty. I love this. So let me tell you guys a little bit about this. So these are called the Scarlet Bar Earrings. On-trend bar earrings featuring a modern chain that lends the classic silhouette a contemporary twist. Also, attached backs means never losing them again. A Your Bijoux Box exclusive. Oh, those are pretty. These are so pretty. This is the first pair of earrings that I own that have this chain detail to it. I really like it. It's very dainty and I love how elegant they look on the ears. I love that. To the next item in here. What is this? It is a necklace. What is this? Oh, I love this. Another really great piece for fall. Love how it still has like that bar detailing to it. Let's read about this. The red pear marquise necklace. This cantilever necklace is artfully spliced by a luxurious red pear colored crystal. That is gorgeous. Inspired by 2018 Pantone color red pear. Wear this with a delicate blouse and a crop jacket, a Your Bijoux Box exclusive. It's also adjustable, but I love how this hits me right along the neckline and it just hangs ever so slightly down. I really love that. And again, it goes perfectly with the earrings. Open up the next little satchel. Wait, what is this? Beautiful gold chain necklace, and I love this chain. Scarlet disc necklace. Engraved bar pendants finish a beautifully layered statement Y necklace fashioned from a shining disc chain. It's like some detailing on this bottom bar. Your Bijoux Box exclusive. That is gorgeous. I think I've said that is gorgeous a million times already. You guys have seen the jewelry that I wear, and this is definitely something that I know I would wear. I like how it has some weight to it and it just adds like that accent to my outfit. I really love this. We have one more item in here. I want to say that this is a headband. So this is the bonus item, Deeps by Deepa Gurnani. Pearl headband with gold threading. Handmade luxury by skilled embroidery beading artisans. Retail value of $90. It's so intricate. The craftsmanship on the headband is beautiful. Your Bijoux Box was so generous to include a coupon code where you guys can receive a free piece of jewelry with your first Your Bijoux Box. I'm going to put that here on the screen as well as down below. So let me know which piece was your favorite from this month's box. I would have to say my favorites would have to be the earrings as well as this necklace. Definitely my style. So if you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please make sure you smash that like button, as well as don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell notification, turn on those post notifications to be notified of new videos. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys check out the videos right over here. You might enjoy those as well. Thank you, love, so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.